Hello my lovelies, welcome back to Nappy and Heels. My name is Pranshi Mukherjee and as you all know, I love doing makeup, and since we have the festive season coming up right around the corner, we have Christmas and New Year's and all of the glitter and glam coming up. So I thought of creating something that is particularly very simple and easy to do, and anybody, even a beginner, can pull it off. Now in this video I have tried to do something different, and hence I created this look by using just simple gel eyeliner and red lipstick, as you will see ahead. ये लुक मैंने इस थॉट से क्रिएट किया था कि हम सबके पास इतने ज़्यादा आई शेडो पैलेट्स नहीं होते हैं, और मुझे ये रेड आई शेडो लुक क्रिएट करना था, और मेरे खुद के पास भी अभी तक कोई ऐसा पैलेट नहीं है जिसमें इस तरह का रेड कलर था. सो मैंने जुगाड़ किया है एंड मैंने ये लुक क्रिएट किया है सिंपल जेल आईलाइनर और रेड लिपस्टिक, जो ऑलमोस्ट हर लड़की के पास होती है. I loved how this look has come together and it's looking so beautiful, you guys. It's just perfect for this festive season coming up ahead. Not only just festive season, आप weddings में भी इस look को try कर सकते हो, या किसी special occasion parties में भी इस look को try कर सकते हो. And so if you like this video, please give this video a big fat thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now without further ado, let's get into today's video. Now since I am done with my base, I'm starting off by doing my brows, and here I'm using my House Etude eyebrow drawing pencil. It's in shade black and it's a good pencil. There's nothing negative about this pencil. It's a good pencil for its price. It's a very budget friendly pencil, and I guess I got this pencil off of Nika at something 200 or 250 bucks maybe, and it's really worth it. I used this pencil for the longest time. First, I'm gonna put up some transition color in my crease, and here I am using my Makeup Revolution London palette, from which I have picked up this brown color. I'll be slowly building up the intensity by blending the color in my crease. Remember, while you're working in your crease, you have to use the windshield wiper motions and the round circular motions. What is a smoky eye makeup look? A smoky eye makeup look is something where the eyeshadow is at the maximum intensity near your lash line, and that fades out as it moves upwards, as it moves towards your eyebrows. So here is what I am doing. I am gonna put the transition color right into my crease and slightly above my crease, blend it upwards, and then I'll be building the intensity as I go down, as I go towards my lash line. And for gel black eyeliner, I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Blackest Black gel eyeliner. It is yet another pocket friendly gel eyeliner in my makeup kit, and it is my absolute favorite. The pigmentation is great, it stays for so long, it doesn't cake up or crease up. It's just amazing. First of all, I'm going to be creating kind of a graphic liner where I make a V in my outer V corner, and then I'm going to be filling it up. Now to give my gel eyeliner the maximum intensity and to lock my gel eyeliner in place so that it stays for long, I'm gonna fix it up by using some of my black eyeshadow from my Makeup Revolution palette. And here comes the most awaited moment of this video, where I show you guys how I'm using my favorite red lipstick on my eyes to create this beautiful red smoky eye look. So here I picked up some of my red lipstick in a densely packed brush, and then I'm going to put this red lipstick shade right in the center of my eye. Now to lock my lipstick in place, I'm gonna be locking it up by using the darkest red that I have in my Colorboard eyeshadow palette, and the same red color I'll be using in the innermost corner of my eye as well. To make sure that you blend the red perfectly with your black so that it doesn't seem harsh or there are no harsh lines visible. You have to make sure and keep the blending in mind. You have to make sure that you are blending it seamlessly. You can always go back and forth with your black and red if to give that particular perfect shape to your eye in your crease. Your eyeshadow look right here without doing the step that I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna line my crease with a glitter eyeshadow, liquid glitter eyeshadow from Makeup Revolution London, and I simply love this eyeshadow. It's yet another pocket friendly product that I have, and it's just amazing. The pigmentation is great and it stays for long as well. Now I'm gonna pick up some of this product, some of the glitter, golden glitter, in my densely packed pack brush over here, and lightly, with a very light hand, with very slow and small strokes, I'm gonna place it right into my crease. Can you see how my entire look is changing and instantly looking more glamorous by doing this one simple step? Of my liner by putting some concealer and then blending it out. Doing this step makes your liner look straight and clean. Now as for the lower lash line, I'm gonna be smoking out the black gel liner in my outer V. And then blending some red eyeshadow that I used in my inner corner. Highlighting the inner corner of my eye and the brow bone is an essential, especially when it comes to a glamorous eye. And here I'm using my Makeup Revolution highlighter palette. Intend on hiding my beautiful eye makeup by drawing a thick eyeliner, so I'm gonna be drawing a very thin eyeliner just to fill in my lash line, just to tight line my waterline. For lashes, I'm gonna be using my Twinkle lashes from Kingdom of Lashes. Here is the completed look. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you found this particular tutorial very easy for you, and I hope you will be trying. And if you do so, don't forget to tag me in your photo on Instagram. I'll be linking down my Instagram handle down in the description box below so we can be friends. As I told you guys that this look is perfect for everyone for every occasion. I here have tried out this look with my Banarsi black and red suit that goes so well together, as you can see. So if you like this video, please give it a big fat thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're new here, if you haven't done already, and also press the notification button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time, bye.